bad as shit on me. I just
Slap the hiccups out of him.
Because he has the hiccups. He needs it.
Like slap you across the face.
like as hard as you can.
Across the
I prefer a guy, but apparently none of them have the balls to do it. It's not hard enough. Hey, come here. Let's get down. I'll say you need to reach back and do it. Let me get ready. Like seriously, you're the.
Hey, grab her boob. Give her a reason.
No. Once again, let me get ready and do it.
Okay, you ready?
I'll say reach back.
Grab her boob.
Okay, I will wind up and smack you.
You have no
Be
idea.
ready. Okay, be ready. Are you ready?
Do not.
Wait, this was
you held back. You held back.
All right, stop.
You